In this video, I'll show you very quick how to create a ClickBank account as affiliate. So all you need to do is to go to clickbank.com, then press start here. And now forget about this survey and press skip this quick start guide. Very easy. Then select your country, here your first name, last name, phone number, email address and password. Make sure to insert your password to have all this stuff, then press continue to terms and conditions. You can read if you want, make sure this is checked and then press join ClickBank. Now they ask you if you want to join the ClickBank community on Discord. I press if you want you can join, but I press no thanks. And now you can press complete my profile. Here you can type your address, here your name, and here you can say promote products as affiliate, and here you can say $0 to $25,000. So now when you complete everything you can press save. Good. Now you can go to accounts and press the create nickname. So here account type, choose affiliate, insert a name, a nickname, let's say AdsTraca. See if your name is free to take or not, then press sign up. Now if you want to promote products from ClickBank, you can go to affiliate marketplace, choose any product, let's say this one, type your nickname, which one you create early, and press create hub link. And now this is your affiliate link. You can promote and earn money. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. See you soon.